in, let's see, we're going to mix in a tablespoon of baking soda. So pour that in and stir it around with the plastic spoon. Awesome. Get it all nice and mixed up. Great work, girlfriend. Now, we're going to do, here, hold this spoon. We're going to do 3 tablespoons of contact lens solution. I'm going to let you pour that, oopsie, how do we do this? Okay. 1, pour it in, or stir it in. 2, go ahead. 3, let's see what happens. Hopefully this, go ahead, stir it on up. You want me to hold that? Okay.
Just need to wait until form.
Yeah, okay.
It's kind of forming.
So you got to keep going, keep stirring.
So gooey. I hope it works this time.
Touch it with your hand and see what happens.
Kind of feels so. It kind of feels like slime.
Should we, here, let's put some more contact solution in it. Oh. Okay, now go ahead and stir it. Like keep smushing it with your hands. Is it slimy?
Yes. It feels so slimy. You should feel it.
Let me try. Ooh, it still feels sticky. It feels sticky to me. Let's try a little bit more. Here, let's try a little bit more baking soda. Mix it in with your hands. See what happens.
It feels good, but a little sticky.
Still a little bit sticky.
But it feels like slime.
Let me try. Ooh, it does.
Feel like slime, right?
Oopsie. It does. Oh my gosh. It feels like, oh gosh.